Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I hope you're all well. I'm out to doing a little cache maintenance on one of mine. It's popped up a few weeks ago actually. Somebody said that they couldn't find it, but they didn't actually log it. And then a couple of days ago, somebody logged it that they couldn't find it. So I thought I'd check it out and see what's going on. It is a particularly well hidden one. I have got a replacement with me just in case I need it, but let's hope I don't, eh? Anyway, let's go and have a look. About 200 meters from it at the moment. Got to go down this little lane in Haxby. Looks like there's some construction work going on down here. Just over there you've got the River Foss, and this cache is called Foss View. Quite a nice little outing, this one, if you're doing this one as part of the series by the Foss. Now we're going to veer off to the left just down here. I've just seen somebody walking a dog down here, and this is one of the things you've got to watch out for on this path. Muggles. Can you see the river there? Look, it's quite high at the moment. We've had a lot of rain. Yeah. Anyway, I hid it in this stump. I'm going to put the camera down and have a look. Right, I can't find it. I've had a good look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one right in there, and if I shove that right in and push it down a bit, and then just put a bit of bark and stuff in here, quite well obscured. So all I can do is give that a go and hope for the best. So that's it. Will this be part of an ongoing adventure where there'll be another one or two afterwards? Who knows yet? Oh, do, all right. See what I mean about muggles. So if I have decided to call this a day, thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. And if you are a geocacher and you do have issues with your geocaches, do let me know. You know, if you've got caches hidden, let me know what kind of issues you have too. All right, thanks for watching. Cheerio.